Here we go again. Last time, I hope, found the problem. There's got this little beastie here, and this, well, actually, you see it? This goes in the bottom of the reservoir, comes apart for cleaning, and use a little hook. This is just a piece of wire, piece of copper wire. Put a little hook on, take it apart, clean it. Problem I've been having is there's two holes inside of here. You can't see them with this little device in. See the second hole, and this is where my problem came from. This little hole here was blocked. Get a bit of wire, tiny bit of wire to clean it out, and all's good. If you look inside, you can barely see it looking down the bore, and when it's got a bit of dirt in, you can't see it at all. So anyway, that was my problem. So we put this together. It's concave, goes down this side, and we put this inside of the master cylinder. A bit of fluid for lubrication. A bit of fluid for lubrication. I think this is to stop the brake fluid aerating when you're bouncing over jumps. So we've got that in. We had removed it using our little piece of wire. In there, pull out. Job done. Right, we have our plunger. We put on the return spring, and we will lubricate the bore. And we will lubricate plunger. New seals, and in she goes into the bore. Tease around, in she goes, and now, and we will put in the retaining circlip over here. Push it down, and use a little screwdriver to make sure the clip is in the groove. It's fine. You normally try, if you can spin it round, it's in the groove. We're in business. Now, fill it full of brake fluid. And we will prime it. You should see bubbles coming out of here. And you prime. Put your finger over the outlet pipe. Activate the plunger, and you will see bubbles coming out as it primes. Top her up. We're starting to feel some pressure. We have a lot of little bubbles there. This is much better. Before I cleaned this hole out, I was getting no pressure on my finger holding where the pipe goes. Now I am. And I can feel it locking. So this is now starting to pump. Okay, so now we put the top on the plastic cap. And we're going to just fasten. All this time keeping your finger over the outlet. Turn on the side, we see we've got brake fluid in. If we push here now, we can feel pressure. This is working awfully. Now put a tiny bit more in, and we are going to fasten on the pipe. Total spanner. Give it a nip. We're going to put this back on the bike. Here's the tool my friend used to clean out the bleed hole in the master cylinder reservoir. It's called a Primus picker. It's used on old Primus stoves. This particular one has a diameter of 0.23, but I did find one on the web, and it's from this company MW Partridge & Co Limited. If you search for Primus, you will see a Primus picker. They're £1. Its diameter is 0.31, but I would imagine that would be fine. Here's another tool you may want to use to pull that little device out of the master cylinder reservoir, and it's just a picker. It's stronger than the copper wire, so you may want one of them too.